Good morning, everyone. Today I want to speak. My title is The Importance of Rukun Negara. Malaysia is a country made up of plural societies with various race, religious, and cultural. The identity of our country is evident through various advances in all aspects. The fact is, the application of the principle of Rukun Negara can position Malaysia as one of the most respected countries on the world stage. The five principles of Rukun Negara, namely belief in God, loyalty to the king and country, the nobility of the king and country, the rule of law and decency should be upheld by Malaysians at all times. There are various interests of Rukun Negara for the people and the country. Firstly, the formation of a society that has characters. The importance of Rukun Negara first is that it is the basis for the formation of a society that has character. The first Rukun Negara principle, which is trust in God, will create a harmonious and united society starting with trust in God. In fact, each person's personality can be formed only if the individual believes in the essence of God. It cannot be denied that the teachings of each religion in Malaysia are different and have different privileges. However, if examined, every religion leads to the formation of a perfect human being, especially in terms of spirituality and personality. So, if we want to give birth to a Malaysia society with superior character, we must practice the principle of trust in God. Secondly, peace, security, and peace of the country are preserved. Rukun Negara is also important to ensure the safety, security, and peace of the country is maintained. The second principle of Rukun Negara, which is loyalty to the king and the country, is safe, secure, and peaceful. This is because the lasting obedience to the king and the country can keep the people away from any element of division and disharmony among the people. Loyalty to the king is very important to ensure our loyalty to the country remains intact in order to avoid violence and unwanted situation in Malaysia. This situation proves how important it is to appreciate the Rukun Negara. Thirdly, defending the national constitution. The pillar of the nation is also important to ensure that the federal constitution is always defended. The federal constitution is the highest law in the country. Through the Rukun Negara concept, Malaysia need to ensure that the Malaysian constitution is upheld and not disputed by any party under any circumstances. This is because the federal constitution contains state principes that have been set, including guaranteeing the position of every Malaysian citizen, regardless of race or ethnicity, placing Islam as the official religion. But other religions can still be practiced by the people of Malaysia. These include various other aspects such as the official language of the country and the supremacy of the Malay community. All of these things are the basis of nation building since the country achieved independence. Furthermore, ensuring a safe, stable, and prosperous country. Rukun Negara is important to ensure a peaceful, stable, and prosperous country. The fourth Rukun Negara principle, which is the rule of law, is the symbol of national sovereignty. The rule of law means that every citizen is equal under the law of the country without any discrimination of race, gender, or position. Every country has law to control and create a peaceful, stable, and prosperous society. The rule of law is an important element to ensure that the law runs smoothly. Legislation that is enacted can guarantee a good and orderly life for members of community, which in turn can produce citizens who are disciplined and live in peaceful and harmonious conditions. In conclusion, the appreciation of Rukun Negara is very important to form a developed country with its people living in harmony. For this reason, all parties, especially parents, mass media, school, and the government, should join hands and carry out their respective responsibilities to ensure that these five principles of Rukun Negara are always practiced. If this is successfully implemented, it is not impossible that our country can be stand as high, sit as low as other developed countries. I am Sylvester. Thank you.